the mascot car wash. Oh my God. And that means it's so milk. Go for the car wash with Jeremy. Go to the car wash with Jeremy.
Mom, did we just send the money? What'd you say? I guess Eli was saying him when he got off work because he didn't have internet in his job. But he's off from yesterday. Huh?
Didn't Bonnie Dinosaur got banned for seeing that Louise on? No, he got banned for some reason. You know that? Guess what Bonnie done to the kid? He bit the cat's head off in the last episode. That would. Why he do it for? Because he was mad over some reason, right? They did some mental shit about that for it, right? Right? Is that right? He got mad at him with someone stuff. He got mad at him all the time, right? He went to rampage to kill all the kids. Dude, swear, that kid wasn't not a kid ocean. Isn't that funny? That funny?